everyone, welcome back. Today's video is Scalpe Pro Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. So let's see its review and demo. Okay, this is the product by Glenmark Pharma and this shampoo is 100 ml, MRP is 220. You won't get much discount on this. We got it from Amazon for 199 and it has a shelf life of 3 years. This shampoo is paraben-free, which is specifically designed to solve the problem of dandruff. And this is Climbazole based shampoo, which is known for eliminating dandruff from the roots, and it also contains Zepto. So it will give you relief from dandruff irritation or itching. Coming to the shampoo, it's cream colored and with a running consistency. Now we are going to use it on a real dandruff affected scalp. Look, it has flaky dandruff here. To use the shampoo, first dissolve it in half a cup of water, then apply it well to your hair. It creates good lather and the fragrance is decent, fresh smell, not too strong. Now here we are. After one wash, just one wash, the dandruff from the hair is completely gone. You will notice the difference right after the first wash. But you have to continue to use this product, otherwise dandruff will come back. So in the negatives, I have just one point that the pack says it has a conditioning base too. So it doesn't dry out your hair, but I would recommend using a good conditioner with it, especially if you have dry or frizzy hair type. And I think you should try this product if you have mild to moderate level of dandruff. This one is a solid anti-dandruff shampoo that delivers result without being too harsh. You should give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.